Congress member Rahul Gandhi, former Election Commissioner Ashok Lavasa, recently appointed Railway Communications and IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw and Junior Lal Shakti Minister Prahlad Patel, along with poll strategist Prashant Kishore and Mamata Banerjee's nephew Abhishek Banerjee, was allegedly targeted for surveillance by Pegasus spyware web portal, The Wire reported on Monday. Well-known social worker, writer and poet Srimati Manju Lodha was today honoured with the Mumbai Ratna Award in this function organised at Raj Bhavan. His Excellency Governor Sri Bhagat Singh Koshyari ji presented this honour to Srimati Manju Lodha for her outstanding social and literary services. India had last year recorded nearly 23% increase in lightning episodes compared to 2019, with Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Odisha and West Bengal turning out to be among the top vulnerable states in terms of reporting this extreme weather phenomena. Shilpa Shetty's husband Raj Kundra has been arrested by the Mumbai police as the key conspirator in the pornography-related case. To start with, Irani, once a favorite with the party's top brass, is now being prepped for a bigger role in the state ahead of assembly election. In another order that protects liberties, the Supreme Court on Monday gave the Manipur government 6 hours to release activist Lechombam Arendro, detained since May 13 for a social media post on the inefficiency of cow dung and urine against coronavirus after state BJP President Professor Tikendra Singh succumbed to COVID. A political row broke out over the Pegasus spyware case on Monday, with Home Minister Amit Shah responding to Congress' demand that he step down by saying report of alleged surveillance were part of a choreographed attempt to defame India. I will urge the centre to reach an amicable solution, he said, while expressing concern over the congregation of farmers outside Delhi when the threat of a third wave of COVID was looming large. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has assured Nepal of early supply of vaccines, his new Nepal counterpart Sher Bahadur Dauba said on Monday. Priyanka Chopra and her hubby Nick Jonas took to their respective social media accounts to celebrate 3 years of togetherness.